Okay, you may be seated. Thank you. First of all, we'd like to thank God, the Creator, for being a part of this special day for these two couples. Pero bago ang lahat, nais namin ipaabot na sa ating bansa ay wala tayong diborsyo. Kung meron man, sinasabi nilang annulment, but it takes a lot of money and time for the process. Nakita ko naman na sa edad nila ay sakto lang naman, tamang-tama. Na? Ayan habang hindi pa natutuluyan, ika nga, hindi pang merong bumabol sa dalawang partido ng dalawang ito, lalo na sa mga main sponsors. Dearly beloved, we are all gathered here in the presence of God and of His people to join Patrick Achuga Castrillo and Daisy Loresca Belial in the holy state of matrimony. Marriage is an honorable state, instituted of God. It signifies the mystical union that is between Christ and His church, which Christ adorned and sanctioned with His holy presence. Christ wrought His first miracle during a wedding in Cana of Galilee, the first miracle that has been written in the New Testament. Water into in the fear of God, concealing the causes for which marriage was ordained. God ordained marriage for the mutual company, help and comfort of man and woman, both in prosperity and adversity. Into this holy state, Patrick Castrillo and Daisy Belial come now to be joined. If anyone can show just cause why they may not be lawfully joined together, let him speak now or else forever hold his peace. Tulad na nasabi ko kanina, mas lalo naman kami hindi handa para sa dalawang ito sa kanilang kaligayahan. Now, for both of you, can you stand up? Sir Patrick Castrillo, will you help Daisy Belial to be a wedded wife, to live as you both shall live, till you say to the woman, look at her. Okay. Say with you, woman, palakpakan naman po natin. Now, Daisy Belial, will you have Patrick Castrillo to be a wedded husband, to live together according to the law of God in the holy state of matrimony? Will you love him?
May we call Mr. Reverend C. and Ms. Tricia Maurice.
Okay po. Ang katilay nakikita natin sa dalawang nasa harapan niyan, it symbolizes the light. Dalawa po ang nakikita natin ngayon dyan. Once it will be joined, it will be one. Sa atin po, kaming mga ministro, kaming mga pastor, kami ay instrumento lamang, or we're just a vessel sa kasalan po nito. Sa katotohanan po, ang Diyos okay, yan na.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa.
Patayin mo na lang. Tinaas na natin. Patayin mo na.
Ito po ang parking ng Dreamland Resort. Okay po ito ng Caribbean Philippines. Ito po ang parking, ang laki-laki. Kahit marami kang bisita, pwede ka dito. Maraming sasakyan pwede. Kahit mga 500 pwede. Yan ang lawak ng parking. Oh. Ano ma'am?
Hindi, marami ata ngayon. Marami tayo. Sama. Papahuli na ata tayo. Maraming tao. Ako pag summer siguro. Oo, may tree house.